So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop that annoying sticky notes pop-up that appears on your Windows. Let's say, for example, if I press Shift multiple times, you'll notice a pop-up will enable on the screen saying sticky keys. So in order to fix that, just simply press the any of the sticky key again. Let's say, for example, if I press Shift multiple times. Now under here you'll see this option that says disable this keyboard shortcut and ease of access keyboard settings. So just simply click over there, and from here all you need to do is to just simply turn this option off in your case if it has might been enabled. So once you do it, now if you press shift again, you'll notice that this key will not appear in front of you. Let's say if I now again press shift, it will not enable on the screen. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.